Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online for another bite-sized Monday. Today we're going to show you how to quickly align items. So you can see here now I've got a picture of an apple and I've got some text. It's just some filler text, nothing in particular. You can see that they are aligned quite nicely, both look like the same distance from the edges and stuff like that. Now I've done that using the align property or align tool in PowerPoint. So if I were to copy both of these and bring them down onto another slide, and I want to bring the picture up there, and I want to have the text down there. Now it's all over the place. Bigger gap on the left hand side as there's from there to there, and there's a smaller gap from there to there. But I want it all to look pretty much the same. So what I can do is I can select both, make sure both are selected, so press Control and select both items, or you can drag the whole box. And then you go up to the Format tab. Now you can go for the one for drawing tools or for picture tools. It doesn't really make much of a difference. They're both going to do the same thing. Now I want to press the Align under the Arrange tab, and I get a box come up. Now you can see you've got some options appear. So you got Align left, center, right, Align top, middle, bottom, Distribute horizontally, vertically, Align the slider, Align against a selected object. So what I want to do is I want to have them in the middle of the page. So if I press Middle, you'll now see they both appear in the middle of the page, but I also want to align them so that they are the same distance apart from each other and from the sides of the page. Keep everything nice and tidy and in line. So now if I just press Distribute horizontally, you'll now see that my alignment is all the same. My gap between there and there and there is all the same size. Hopefully this helped you today. Have a good day. Goodbye.